Okay guys, I am going to do a quick little tutorial on the metric scale, and you guys will be required to do this on your own. You will have to draw it out, you'll have to do the prefixes, and you'll have to know the numerical values of everything. So let's start. Just draw a line, then I start on the left. Okay, on the far left, that's going to be, the left side of the middle marker is going to be the big numbers. So the far left is going to be giga, and then you've got mega. Then I use a kind of silly little jingle thing in order to remember this next set. You can use it if you want. King Henry died by, or unexpectedly, drinking chocolate milk. So the K is for kilo, H is for hecto, the big D is for deca, the B is for base, U is for unit, the little d is for deci, the little c is for centi, and the little m is for milli. Then this one seems to be the hardest one for everyone for some reason. So it's kind of a weird symbol. It looks like a U with a tail in the front. And this is known as micro. And then we've got nano. Okay, so now for the numerical values. You will have to know all of those prefixes. All right, going back over to the far left. This is going to be your big guy. This is a billion, so 9 zeros. Mega, you're going to drop 3 zeros, and so you're going to end up with a million. Kilo, you're going to drop 3 zeros, and you're going to end up with 1,000. Now you're going to start dropping just 1 zero. So for hecto, you've got 100. Deca, you've got 10. The base unit, you have 1. Now on the right side of the marker, the middle marker, this is where we're dealing with small numbers. So here we're going to be using decimals. So for deci, you've got 0.1. And if you pretend like that decimal isn't there and you flip those two numbers, that would be 10. So this is what's known as a tenth. Centi is a hundredth. Milli is a thousandth. Micro is a millionth. Nano is a billionth. And I just want to point out that you do need to have the 0 before the decimal, and that those zeros, if you include the 1 before the decimal, there are the same amount of zeros as there are on the left side of that middle marker. So for instance, micro is a millionth and it has 6 zeros, where nano is a billionth and it has 9 zeros, including the 0 before the decimal. Okay, I'm going to stop here on this video, and then we'll start looking at conversions on the next video.